Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome again to the Chaos Africa Community Call. And I want to say it's good to have everyone here again. Hi, Anita. You're welcome. I think we have someone new here, Imam 24. Hello. If you can unmute and say hi. Okay, hi, Hunter. I'm curious about Imam. Who is Imam? Do you want to introduce yourself to the community?
Hi. I think this is my second time on this call. The last one
Oh,
was 2 weeks ago. Oops. Yeah,
oh,
and I did introduce myself. My name is Imam.
hi,
I'm a
Imam.
cybersecurity engineer.
So
Yeah,
good.
hi. I'm guessing that's it.
No,
Oh,
this is not Ruth.
okay.
This is Adeyinka. I know you don't know me, but it's fine. Good to have you here. Sorry,
Oh, okay. I think Roots was the one who handled the call.
the last time, yeah. I think I was
Yeah.
not in the
Thank you
call.
very much.
Yes, I will have remembered the mom. That's a very unusual name, but so good to see. You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's get started. All right. Does anyone want to give us updates from their focus groups? Maybe from design, from the developers focus groups, any other group?
Hi, good afternoon. So for design, I think Harmony dropped a document for a list of designs we need for October 1st. I would look at it next week when I feel much better. That's the only update from design. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Eunice. Again, hope that you get better. All right, let me share my screen so that we can now see. We don't have much on the agenda today. So I think probably most of the things that we're going to be discussing will be around the October 1st because that's the in thing happening this October. So, yes, the design team will be collaborating with the technical writers for a design. Okay, does anybody have any other updates? Okay. The technical writers would. Is anyone from the technical writers group? Let's see. None. Okay. All right. So nothing much from the developers focus group, and I think I have a lot of people that are developer focused here. Maybe that makes it a good time to put this out there. So as the developers focus group lead, I want to just ask anyone if you're interested in joining me to co-lead the developers focus group so that we can keep the group active, for all the things that we want to do. I recently took up some other responsibilities in chaos, and it's been a bit tough trying to juggle everything together. Oh, it's also my job. So give to anyone that is interested. I'm putting that call out. You can DM me on this.
Oh, I thought you wanted like a response now. So I'm actually back. Thank God. So I can actually assist you. I'm currently
Uh,
jobless as well. So
Okay, just DM and let's talk about it. Okay.
Yes, my boss.
Thank you, Chitalu. Thank you, everyone. All right, so that's it from the dev focus group. The reason why I think, with regards to even contributing to software projects that we have, that Chaos Africa is really in the lead of, which is the Badging project. The reason why there's not much contribution in that area is because right now we are trying to even focus on the non-development aspect of the program that would then further necessitate the need for development. So let me clarify what I mean. Right now we have the first version of the project badging out, and we are looking at how we can make more projects adopt this first version. So when we have enough projects having done that, then we can move to version 2, and that's where we will need a lot of code contributions. So, but then I think we also need to move more into, exploring more projects outside the badging program, and that includes Augur and Grimo Lab. I'm sure a lot of people from Chaos of Chaos are not really familiar with those software, but they are software that are under Chaos, the larger Chaos project, and so it's a good thing to contribute to. We should be looking into that area. And I think that's one of the focus areas that our focus group, I mean the developers focus group, can actually look into. So that's like a kind of update from me. All right. Let me see. Felix, hi. Let me see. Is anyone from trying to see if there's any other person from other groups present in the meeting? Okay. So, does anyone have anything they want to say around October 1st? Do you have suggestions? Do you have plans? What are you doing personally to participate? Or what do you think the community should do, the chapter rather, should do to participate in October 1st? Can everybody hear me? It looks like a silent one today. Let me see. You guys are laughing and smiling. What's going on? Please talk. Oh, it's a bit quiet. People that have what they are already doing, the technical writers focus group. I think the leads are not here, so but I know that we had the technicals the technical writer focus group were in the lead of a Twitter space that we had last Friday, and it really was a good one. And I know that there are still some events in the works for the rest of October. So let's look out for that. I wish one of them was here to put much light into this, but then let's wait for communication in the Slack channel. Does anybody else have something else to say? It might just be a very early meeting, very short meeting.
Hi, Adinka.
Hi, hi, hi.
Yeah, this is Imal.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I'm still trying to grab put my foot on the ground and navigating the meetings. So I wanted to join the CM's working group. I mean, I'm on the group already.
Okay.
Um, but I don't think I've joined any call yet. I'm still trying to grab how our things being run here. So now, but for October, this is something that for this year I'm not heavily doing. October is always cybersecurity awareness month.
Okay.
So normally previous years, I'm always engaging in the activities of doing awareness trainings for MDAs, SMEs, underserved communities, students, that's secondary school students, and all, just enlighten them about cybersecurity. So it always
Nice.
clashes, or it always kind of like come together with Oktoberfest and all of that. So I am willing to contribute to that part if there's anything related to the security aspects in the terms of Oktoberfest. So I'm just putting the word out that I'm also willing to contribute to that aspect.
Yeah. So good. I'm not sure we have something about cybersecurity yet, but something that we can definitely look into. Let me just put it here as something for people to talk about. Okay. So if you have ideas too on how we can implement that within Chaos Africa, you can also talk. Okay, so are you? Let me ask this question: Are you thinking in the line of education, like this Oktoberfest? Maybe organize something to teach people or create awareness around cybersecurity.
I don't want to say that's the most easiest, but like that's the most
The low hanging fruit.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But it has to
So
do
one
with,
of
let's say
us.
for example, so sorry. Um, if the team already has a plan for October 1st, it's easier to just chip in something about security in that, either in line of what's it called, education, even if it comes to say pick a part of Nigeria or pick a part of anywhere in the world or Africa rather, to now say okay, you want to do security trainings or security awareness in their own local language. That's something that can also be done. So security in our own local language. Um, I tried that in Hausa, which is last year, October rather, last year, October. So I made it a lot of sense. So yeah, security awareness in our local language.
Security awareness, education. Okay, so I've noted that down. Does anybody have anything to say to this? Okay, so I don't know. So there is a project one of us is leading. That's the education project. What I want to say about that is I don't know if the education project is doing anything around Oktoberfest, but I can connect you with Peculiar. You can just reach out to talk about what you have in mind, and let's see how you can implement that, especially around open source. You want to also be thinking around open source since
Okay.
we are more.
So I wanted to drop a comment to that. So, um, Imam, I don't know how much of like how vast you are on areas that chaos kind of touches across, but there's like a working group for data science, and not just data science, like other working groups for like project, and it was mentioned earlier that chaos also have like other project that they lead, right? I feel since you're trying to get an understanding of the community as well, because if you want to talk about sorry, if you want to talk about security now on one of these calls, it will be expect that you talk about security, but then how people can contribute to security. And it will also be great if you pointed out spaces within chaos that skill set can be useful too, because just like yourself, there are other people that are also trying to like figure out where their skills in cybersecurity can come in handy, right? So my thought is, how about we like check if like any of these other projects have um demand for skill sets, and I believe they do. I've not joined their working group meetings, but I believe that it once or twice security discussions often come up there, and there's literally nobody that can champion that or superhead topics like that, because there's no cybersecurity expert that I'm aware of right now in chaos. So you can also look into those projects and see if there's something you can pick alongside. So if you're doing the workshops eventually, you can also point that chaos has this, and you were able to find footing there. Like it's just a better way to direct people that are in cybersecurity that want to follow your footstep moving forward.
Okay. Thank you very much. So, I mean, I think the best thing is to try and join more of these calls, probably even join more than I'm in. So that's honestly, I haven't really understand the whole architecture of kiosk in general, but I know there's a CM working group. I've heard about the data science group. Or yeah, that's about it. But yeah, I mean, if there's a plan already for October 1st, I see that plan. I can just look at it and say, okay, this is how security can come into play in this part so as well. Or yeah, when I hear about what they have planned or what they have written down or documented, have a look, can basically just chip in something there so as well. Security is very, very wide. There's a technical aspect, there's a non-technical aspect as well. So uh, I think it's just cool to just see what the October 1st plan is first, so that the security will not be standalone. I understand your points. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Anita, for that. I think I just want to emphasize what Anita also said. Like, don't limit it to October 1st. Um, the way I'm seeing things around, there might not be so much in the community around October 1st. So while you are getting settled into the community, you want to be looking at how you can plug yourself as a cybersecurity expert in these working groups, like she mentioned. So beyond October 1st, you want to be looking into that. So thank you. Does anyone have any other thing they want to talk about? Okay. All right. I guess we have to call it. Thank you. Sorry, hold on before we go. Olamide, hi,
Hi,
welcome.
good afternoon.
Hey, Olamide, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm alright. I was just speaking to the group that I know that the technical writers focus group are doing something good and big for the Oktoberfest, but it would be lovely to have one of you guys talk about it. And you just showed up. Would you like to go?
Okay, no problem. So
Alright.
the technical writers focus group, we are planning a 3 hours workshop where we talk about writing for Oktoberfest. So we are not only focusing on like technical writing, we are talking about okay, how to write code of conduct, how to guide, and we are combining both. So we have like a list of speakers that we want to email. We are working on it with Mary Blessing to reach out. And the proposed dates um for the workshop is October 18. And I think we are waiting for the design out to kickstart.
Okay. So you said you're waiting for the designer. I think Eunice just talked about it now.
Yes, so like we have like it's not one design we'll be needing. So we have a design list and we have sent it to the design working group. So they are on it. So we are waiting for them.
All right. So it's safe to say that the design focus group are going to be supporting, giving a lot of design support and
Yes, a lot of support.
okay, Eunice, thank you for the support. Thank you to the team. Okay, does anybody have questions for Olamide?
I actually want to ask, when do you guys need this your design, please?
Okay, so according to the document that Harmony dropped on the group, I think we said we needed one by Friday to kickstart publicity by Monday.
I would have to call Kinsley to do it. I've not opened the document. I'm not feeling well, and I'm not able to do anything until next week.
Oh,
So I'll just call
that's
Kinsley to
fine.
maybe see if he can do it by Friday for you.
Okay, no problem. Please take care of yourself.
Thank you. I will.
No problem.
Okay, any other question? All right, thank you everyone for attending. See you next call. Bye, everyone.